So RollingBarge is now making 8-foot aluminum stair kits. Very easy to install. First step, we're going to ship you a box that's going to have everything, and you're going to assemble the kit itself, the main stairs, in your garage. The frame parts are 6061 structural aluminum. The frame is held together by aluminum anodized bolts. Your stair frame will last a lifetime with zero maintenance. We will be installing 16 feet of stairways, so we need 2 stair kits. So here you see the area we're going to install it in. Our first step is to determine the angle. The stairs can be adjusted from 25 to 50 degrees in many increments. This hillside was only 25 degrees, and 2 8-foot stair sections will be used. These are both set to the same angle, but they could be set differently. The sections are bolted together at the bottom, and then we tighten all the bolts. A landing is added to the top of the stairs as well as the bottom. Landings are not required, but sometimes come in handy. Aluminum posts are driven into the ground alongside the stairs. These posts support the stairs, and you can adjust the stairs to the proper height. A foot can be bolted to the bottom of each post. This will ensure that the post does not sink into the ground. The landing can be shortened to the required length. The stair treads are 2x10 pressure-treated boards. The posts are cut even with the landing top. On the sides that will not have railing, the posts can be trimmed. The stair kit can be purchased without any handrail. The optional railing can be installed on either side or both. The railing is bolted into place and can support 200 pounds in any direction. The deck is attached with stainless steel self-drilling, self-tapping screws. Complete assembly videos are available. Do you have a hillside in need of stairs?